all the damage done. First was greed, you know, and where are we going to leave our kids, you know, like, it's just a pile of shit. You know, this hasn't hit the fan yet, but...
What are you doing out here today? You just chilling?
Just chilling. I've been locked up for too long.
To your opinion, who are the most iconic musicians?
Look at all the great people we lost because of drugs.
But
Hendrix. What's the girl? Janis Joplin.
Oh, Janis Joplin. Yeah.
Yeah, they're all in the 32 club.
Died soon. Yeah.
You know, 32 or 37 club, 27 club. You know, that's all I think about is the days I used to get high when I listened to that stuff. You know, and it's, I don't know. It's now that I've matured, grown up, you know, escaping through drugs is not really a cool thing anymore. Government, but it's all the power people that have these puppets in place. So we're basically just doing billionaires, you know, what they say goes. All they do is have, you know, we believe it's a free democracy and all this, but it's not. It's governed by a few really powerful people.
Yeah.
You know, if you look down at the presidents, you know, they're all backed by fucking big money people. A lot of them are corrupt. A lot of them didn't have two clues what they're doing. You know, how the public votes them in. Eventually it will. And then what do we do? Where are we leaving our kids? Massive trouble. Or their kids. You know, I put it probably down a couple generations. Before, you know, the whole magnitude of what we're doing will show its true colors.
John, it has been a true pleasure to chat with you today.
Yeah, you're a good man.
Yeah, you get around on this thing. It's probably economical.
Well, it's many years of being a rebel. I rode motorcycles all my life, but I rode a lot of it not licensed and not insured. I kept getting pinched time and time again. So eventually the judge and the DOT took my license for life.
Wow.
Yeah, that was a heavy bang. You know, but so this is the closest thing to a motorcycle I can legally drive without harassment.
Cheers, brother. I just want to say God bless to you. All the best. Enjoy the rest of your day, man.
You too, brother.